fudge I am making is chocolate cream cheese. Now I have my parchment paper in, cutting my parchment paper in half. These parchment paper sheets are the best invention ever. I will leave a link in the description below. They just make it so easy. So for the chocolate cream cheese, I have semi-sweet chocolate chips. You could use milk chips, dark chips, semi-sweet, whatever you want, whatever flavor you like. They all have a different flavor, okay? You can also use different brands. Hershey's tastes different than Nestle's and Ghirardelli versus Walmart. We like the Walmart and the Hershey's the best, but I don't happen to have any Hershey's, so I'm gonna use Hershey's frosting. Get this warmed up and melted. All right, my chips have started to melt, so I'm going to add my can of frosting. I'm using Hershey's because we really like Hershey's for our chocolate. All right, gonna pour this first layer in my pan for my chocolate cheesecake fudge. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right, I'm back now for my white chips. All right, my fudge is getting, or my white chocolate chips are getting melted. I'm gonna add my cream cheese frosting. Heat it up anymore because it'll burn my fudge, so I'm still just letting it finish here. So I'm gonna spread it in my bowl here, or my pan. It's smushed in there. Now, to make this look like a chocolate cream cheese, I'm gonna swirl the chocolate and the cream cheese layers. Just go clear down to the bottom. Don't rip your paper. Just gently bring it up and over and just let it kind of fall back into place. We're going to let this set up in a cool spot, the refrigerator, the garage if you live in a cold climate, outside if you live in a cold climate and you're out of refrigerator room, however you want to do that, but let this get cool and then we'll cut it. Oh, I cannot wait to taste that. That looks so good. So here's a little trick. If your candy has smudged like that, you can take a knife and just riddle across the edge. And that will clean it up.